Here I am, one of the homes that I have at Esplanade and Lakewood Ranch. One of the things that I love about the home is that, first of all, it was built by one of the best builders in the community. It's a patio home, and I'm going to show you later on in another video why it's called a patio home. This is a fabulous floor plan with 3 bedrooms, a loft, and 4 bathrooms. As you can see here, as the camera follows me, you can see part of the view. We have a beautiful lake in the back of me, and it's a beautiful land. The home is a very nice, comfortable floor plan. Comes with a summer kitchen. So pointing out the summer kitchen right here. So this home is listed for $798,000 in one of the best communities at Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Named for the past 6 consecutive years as one of the best communities to live. So if you're interested in this home, call me or click on the link that is going to be down below this video. Looking forward to working with you.